Hey guys, hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm creating this makeup look right here. So starting off with Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and I'm applying directly from the tube to my face and blending with the sponge. This is from Pack Cosmetics. The sponge is really soft and I really like the sponge, and I'm just blending my foundation with the sponge. And for my concealer, I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I love this concealer, guys. If you wanted to try any concealer, you can give this a try. I loved it, and I am applying all the usual areas: under eye area, inner corners, and little bit to highlight. I use on the bridge of my nose and little bit of my forehead, and I'm blending with the same sponge. Nothing new at all, and blending. And to set all of those foundation and concealer, I am using Maybelline again. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. If you watched my other videos on my channel, you guys already know that I love this powder so much. I loved it, and I'm just setting all of those concealed area and also a little bit all over my face. And to contour my face, I am using Nykaa Contour Sculpt Dew. So I'm using the contour powder to contour at the same time bronzing my face. This is right amount of warmthness and also grayness in it, so it is great to contour and as well as to bronze at the same time. So I'm just applying cheekbone, little bit of my forehead. And to blush, for blush I'm using Nykaa Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie, and this is my favorite blush of all time. I just love this blush, and I'm using the same contour sculpt palette to highlight my face. And for eyeshadow, I'm using this is Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette in the shade Midnight Magic, and I'm using the dark chocolate kind of shade right in the outer corner. I'm not diffusing anywhere, I'm just applying only in the outer corner. And to blend this shade, I am using the pinky kind of a nude kind of a color. I love this shade, guys. This is so beautiful, and the eyeshadows are so pretty, and they are pigmented, they blend well, they are so good, guys. I am in love with these shadows, and I am applying this pinky shade to all over my crease area and also extending it to outerwards. So yeah, and for lid, I am using this kind of a minty kind of a color. I love this shade, guys, and I'm just applying in the inner half of my lid. And also I'm using the darker kind of a shade to my lower lash line. And for Kajal, I am using Lakme Eyeconic Brown Pencil. And for my mascara, I am using Lakme Eyeconic again, and this time my camera doesn't focus. And for lipstick, I am using Maybelline. This is a creamy matte lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. And yeah, that's all. This is the final makeup look, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.